What is up? Today is currently Wednesday, and I basically want to go over how I caught this trade on UJ. It was a supply and demand trade, and let's go over it. So the first thing I do when I'm trading is I identify my trend slash market structure. All right. So as you can see, these highlighted circles, that's what this represents: high, low, previous low, and previous high. And so after I saw that, I knew that we were in an uptrend. And basically, if I go, wait a minute, if I go here, I can show you. So basically, um, I was in an uptrend, and I did miss this big giant demand zone right here. Price tapped into that, and then we blasted off. And then the second opportunity that I saw was here on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. So on the 15-minute chart, we had all of this price action going upward right here. Right? You see all this price action? This was going upward. And then all of a sudden I saw this candle. And if you notice, that candle is significant of all these previous candles right here. And the reason is size. If you look at the size of that candle, that means that there's more demand within that candle. There's more money in that candle. So I went to the 5-minute and zoomed in even more, and I saw that it was an order block, which is one of the type of trade setups that I take. So basically, I entered there my stop loss right on the low of this order block slash demand zone. And what happened? We can even go back in time. Right? Oh shit, sorry, I forgot to pay the fucking pro thing. I'll do that after the video. But yeah, no, I'll go back in time and press replay so you can see the process. So yeah, it looks like this. Taps in, enters in here, which it did, and then what happened? Price went upwards, came back down, and continued going upwards to my take profit, which was on a higher time frame a gap. That's my take profit. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I did. And as you can see, the take profit on the 4-hour, the gap that I targeted was actually right here, and I will highlight it right here. This gap is where I was expecting price to come and continue from, and it did, and that's where I took profit. And so yeah, guys, I did my market structure. The trend was bullish, and then after I did my market structure, I found a demand zone, which was on the 15-minute and 5-minute, and then I entered it, and that's pretty much what I did. And yeah, I know that's kind of vague, but this was literally meant to be an extremely short video for you to literally learn that specific thing. Market structure is important when you want to trade supply and demand. You need market structure. Without market structure, you won't really find many setups. Market structure and analyzing your trend is the key to actually catching trade setups. So yeah, guys, yeah, that's pretty much what I did, and I only trade a few pairs. I trade UJ, UCAD, Ethereum, gold, Euro, Swiss franc, and GJ.